There's Jessie eating her biscuit. Dreamy's biscuit. Come on, eat quick, baby, because of the dog. The dog might bite you and that's it. And then you go back to whoever adopt you now, yeah? I've not seen you for like, I don't know, 2 weeks? Is it 2 weeks, baby? Yeah, it's nice to see you again. Yes, Jessie is here. I'm not leaving her until she eat all the biscuit. She's got the chicken biscuit. Very good. Somebody adopt her because I've not seen her for quite a while. So whoever adopts you, thank you very much. Because you do look clean now. It's okay, my baba. I know you're super beautiful. Who's the most beautiful little mogi? Her name is Jessie. And soon, Auntie Mary will drop Biscuit with us. Biscuit the little kitty. Yeah, that looks almost like you. Yeah. So I'll be reminded by you then, because Biscuit loves to sleep next to me. Okay? That's it then, yeah? Goodbye. Thank you. Alright. Bye-bye. Thank you. Hi. Thank you. Bye-bye.